This is Nathan, and today's video is I'm going to show you what I bought. And then we're going to run some trains with one of those products I just bought today. One of them is very special to me because I've been seeing them on the railroad in real life, and I always wanted one on a model, and I finally got one. And it's actually literally weathered from Browser, so that's awesome, Browser. It's this one. It's another coal car, but I never had one of these before, which is pretty awesome. I got to admit, I don't know if you could see the rust on it. But yeah, they do look like sort of like that in real life, but I think more beat up looking. But this is pretty good. It's a good way to represent that. I got Fireman. I think this is kind of good. And I wanted this because if some of you know, I have a house that's on fire. Not a real house, but a model one. And some of you know that I burnt real matches to make that effect happen. You should do it outside to make that real effect. But yeah, it's a good way to add to this on, basically. And the two are obvious because it's from a scratch building. They are Loctite. I got them at Lowe's. They were $10 for both of these. So let's go to the layout. Before we put it on the layout, I just thought it would be cool to show what the details are. So let's open it up. Now, my opinion with Ready Northern stuff to buy is it's rare to find anything that's Ready Northern. So I got pretty lucky, and I would literally want to buy willing to buy anything Ready Northern, no matter what it is. But all I care about is if it's Ready Northern, it goes on my layout if I pay for it. So here it is. If I get out its package. Here we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This looks like how I see it on the real railroad. Yeah. Now, in real life, you would see on rust, it has little dents, like little bubbles when you wash soap. But do you know what I mean, right? It would have dents, but so far it looks pretty good. Let's run the train and put this on here. Now, since we have that, we can just uncouple and put it right on there. Does that look awesome? I think it does. Oh wow, it even has good couplers on it. Wow. And what I just noticed is, look at the difference between this real nice one and this rusty one. Technically, all these coal cars are rusty, but the reason why I'm not weathering them is because I'm afraid I'll destroy them, and I feel like they're very, very rare. So yeah, as you can see, there's a different coupler and different one. So yeah, let's run the train. And dun dun dun, the beginning of trying to build it some more with the train factory. This whole part right here to here is all going to be a loading dock, and this is all going to be delivering coal right here from the coal mine right over there. The coal is supposed to be delivered so it can heat and melt the metal to make trains. So and the waiting dock is for metals to go to be melted down into trains. So that's pretty cool. And I'll try to detail the insides the best I can. This one I'm thinking with the train sort of painted, maybe machines are painting it, so that'll be interesting. Oh, and this right here is going to be a train station. For some reason, my double-decker locomotive that I just built, this is on a low, like going downward. Doesn't work pretty well. It goes on very flat turns and straight, so I have to be careful of how it climbs up and down, but it runs on the layout pretty perfectly, so yeah.